Namaste everyone and welcome back to Design by Nisha. Diwali is just round the corner and it's time to illuminate our home with positivity and light. Today, I'll be sharing 5 essential Vastu tips on how to light a Diwali Diya for maximum positive energy. So let's get started. It's important to choose the right location and direction for your diya. According to Vastu, placing it in the north or east direction bring prosperity and success to your home.
Northeast corner is the most auspicious location for a diya. It signifies purity and positive energy. So you can place a diya on a clean platform or a diya holder in your puja room or mandir.
You can light the first diya in your puja room. And then Vastu associates the tulsi plant with goddess Lakshmi. So if you have tulsi or holy basil plant, place diyas near it. If you do not own a tulsi plant, you can place diyas in your kitchen.
You can even place a diya in the northern window sill, which can symbolize the invitation of prosperity and wealth into the home. You can welcome guests with a diya in the eastern part of your entrance area. It is believed to bring positive vibes and good fortune.
The material of your diya can significantly affect the flow of holy energies into your home. Metals like brass are good conductors of positive energy, and mud is a good reservoir of good spirits. You can use brass and mud diyas, which creates a happy and contented aura in the house. But clay or earthen diyas are highly recommended in Vastu. They represent the earth element and resonate well with the positive energy. The number of diyas you light is significant according to Vastu. Lighting an odd number of diyas, preferably in set of 3, 5 or 7, is considered auspicious and attracts positive energy. So I would recommend use ghee in diyas as it contains stronger divine particles than oil. Ghee diyas emit sattvic or divine frequency, filling your home with happiness. Only use ghee prepared from cow milk, and while you can also use mustard oil, but avoid using sunflower oil. Last but not least, maintaining cleanliness around the diya is crucial. A clutter-free and clean environment enhances the flow of positive energy.
Start by ensuring the surface around the diya is clean and free from any dust. This will help prevent any accidents or contaminations. You can place the diya on a stable or non-flammable surface. A plate or a diya holder specially designed for this purpose is recommended. If the diya is empty, carefully pour a small amount of oil into the designated area and take care not to overfill.
Remember, these tips are meant to enhance the positive energy in your home during the festive season. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on bringing positivity and harmony into your life. Wishing you all a bright and joyful Diwali. Until next time, stay blessed.